Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 1 Plus, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of this device in order to remove screen lock. So as you will see here, I already have a screen lock, and assuming we don't know the passcode to it, we can proceed to power off the phone. So press power key and then select power off. And now the device is off. What you will need is a cable. They're usually used for charging. You can plug it into your computer and then just connect it to your device. Give it a moment, it will show charging indication in a moment. Okay, so once you see the charging, now you can hold the volume up and power key both together, so at the same time. Once you see the Android, you can let go. And from here, you will see the no command. Just gonna unplug it. So once you see the Android with no command, you will need to hold power key, and while holding power, tap volume up once, like so. And now we're in recovery mode. And as you can see, we had screen lock and there is no need for any kind of input of the passcode to basically proceed. So what we now need to do is just using volume up and down, select wipe data factory reset here and confirm it with power key. And then once more select yes and confirm it again with the power key. We get a little message at the bottom, data wipe complete as the last one. And back in the recovery mode with the reboot system now being selected by default. So all you need to do now is just press power key to confirm that, and the device will basically be rebooting while continuing the process in the background. So just be patient, it will take a little bit longer than it normally does. And I'll be back once the Android setup screen is visible on the screen. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and I'll go through the setup really quickly. So let me start by changing up the language. I'm gonna skip most of this just to save on time. And as you can see, we're on the home screen, and the pattern that was previously set is completely gone, and you can now use the device freely. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.